Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Welcome to the Millennium Cricket League, F40 League Division B clash, where the Novo Sunrisers symphony of strikes meets the tenacity of the Akshar 11 Cricket Club. A stage is set for a spellbinding encounter.
Indeed, Isha, an electrifying canvas awaits as these two contenders lock horns, with each poised to etch a cricketing story of heart and skill.
A big shout out to the event advertisers for today's matchup. Their support has set the stage for this enthralling face-off.
A salute to DivGen Pharmaceuticals for their precision in innovation that rivals the accuracy of a perfect Yorker, and Faith Home Healthcare, covering all bases with grace and precision.
The Sunrisers, wielding their bats like maestros, set the stage with an assertive total, despite a mid-innings tremor. A potent concoction of aggressive stroke-making and steely nerves defined the innings.
And when Akshar 11 took to the chase, it was the Sunrisers bowlers who spun a web of deceit. A narrative of twists and defiance ensued, but ultimately, precision and guile won the day.
Pradeep Chandra Yarlagada's fiery 77 was the cornerstone for the Sunrisers, while Deepak Kanchura's explosive cameo added to the spectacle.
Akshar's ice bowlers, spearheaded by Bhavesh Thakur, clawed back with disciplined spells, making every delivery a battle of wits.
Chasing the tail set by the Sunrisers, the Akshar 11 stumbled, their partnerships failing to bloom against the strategic tempest unleashed by the opposition.
The Sunrisers bowlers, particularly Pradeep Chandra Yarlagadar and Raman Seam, tore through the lineup, their deliveries laced with a venomous intent that rattled the batting cage.
Pradeep Chandra Yarlagadar emerged as the protagonist, dazzling with the bat and deceitful with the ball, a double-edged sword that cut deep into the Akshar's eyes' ambitions.
We cannot overlook Bhavesh Thakur's triad of scalps and Raman Seam's precision. Both were instrumental in scripting a tale of dominance and the eventual capitulation of the Akshar 11.
The Sunrisers, riding on their initial onslaught and bowling mastery, triumphed by 52 runs, showcasing the grit and guile that cricketing tales are woven from.
A substantial victory for the Sunrisers, a result that speaks volumes of their clinical approach and execution on the field, leaving the Akshar 11 to ponder their strategy. As the dust settles on this clash, it is a tapestry of valiant strokes and strategic master strokes that will be remembered. A testament to the Sunrisers' fortitude and the stirring cricket saga they have authored today.
Reflection begets wisdom, and this bout has etched a narrative worth mulling over. A memorable game that not only entertained but also set the tone for the battles to come.